Ready to ditch centralized exchanges and dive into the world of decentralized finance? First, if you're on iOS, you may need to enable the DApp browser in Trust Wallet by opening Safari, typing trust browser_enable, and hitting go. Android users will automatically see the DApp browser. Tap on dapps or browser at the bottom. Now, scroll down or use the search bar to find PancakeSwap and select it. This connects you to the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. Once PancakeSwap loads, you will see a button prompting you to connect your wallet. Tap Connect Wallet and choose Trust Wallet from the options. Next, select the token you want to use to pay for your crypto in the From field and the token you wish to purchase in the To field. If you don't see your desired token, you can manually input its contract address. Before swapping, it's important to adjust your slippage tolerance. Click the settings icon, the little gear, and set your slippage. A higher slippage is needed for more volatile or less liquid tokens, but be aware of price impact. 5% is a good start. Now, enter the amount you want to buy and click swap. Double check all the details to make sure everything is correct. Trust Wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction, review the gas fees and total amount, and then hit confirm. Once confirmed, wait for the transaction to be processed on the Binance Smart Chain. You can usually view the transaction details on Biscan via the link provided. Your new tokens should now be in your Trust Wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully bought crypto using PancakeSwap. Remember to always do your research and be aware of the risks involved in DeFi.